We've been talking about options with playing with the decorative stitches. So you can pick a stitch and sew a row of it, but on the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960, you also have the option to combine different stitches in the memory. So if I want one of these and one of those, and I put both those stitches in the memory, it'll sew them 1, 2, 1, 2, an entire row. This would also be what you could use for putting together a group of letters. So if you're spelling out, say, happy birthday, you're going to put in an H, an A, a P, and a P, and continue throughout the alphabet. So let me just show you what we're going to do. So let's just go back. If you're on a straight stitch, you just turned your machine on, the stitches that you can put into a memory are going to be the ones that have the kind of start at 1 and then go all the way across the third row and then all the letters with that as well. So come over here to that same symbol, the one with the decorative stitch and the ABC. And that is going to get us to our decorative stitches. If you touch it again, that gets you to the first style of lettering. Again, the next style of lettering, and so forth, all the way through. So it kind of toggles between all those screens. So I'm back to the decorative stitches. So let's just start with that one first. So if I want to combine, say, stitch number 6 and stitch number 8. So you can see I'm adding stitches to the screen. Maybe I decide I do number 7. Oh, maybe not. So clear is what you'll use to clear it out. You can, again, keep going until you find the stitches that you want to continue adding. There's little hearts, so if I put in 18, maybe 2 of those, again, it would stitch all 4 and then start again. So however many times you want to stitch it, you want to sew a whole row, you can go ahead and do that. If you want to, you can also come back and kind of insert. So I'm using these arrows to come in and insert the ones that I want, or I can do something with them, like make them a little wider or a little shorter. But whichever one you have highlighted, you can go ahead and do something with. So let's just kind of back up. Let's just start with those first 2. I've unplugged the foot control. So you see there's no foot control plugged in. That does allow me to use the start stop button, which by the way is so much easier. It does call for foot B, so if B is on, it does allow me to kind of have a clear look at what I am seeing with that. You can see which one it's on. It keeps kind of toggling between those 2. So I'll just kind of stop there, give it a quick little cut just to see what we are getting here. So there's the circle and then the diamond. So here's them in their row, but this also makes a difference. Don't forget to put some stabilizer behind this. Do check out our videos below that teach you how to make a stitch book. And then also we talk about our Stitching Cosmos online course. This is something where you can get into having a lot more fun with your decorative stitches, with couching, with pin tucks, with twin needle. We take you through step by step, block by block. This machine can handle using the Husqvarna Viking feet. We talked about you actually have the ankle that will allow you to purchase that brand of feet and expand your options for this machine, which are awesome. And then let's put all those decorative stitches to work in a whole new creative avenue. So do check that out, and you can watch 10 videos for free. Again, those links are below this YouTube video. So try out some of the options for combining with the memory and some of the things that you can come up with all the new combinations as you combine more than one stitch together.